Today, we're making chicken enchiladas with a homemade red enchilada sauce. For this recipe, you'll need chicken breasts, tortillas, garlic powder, cumin, chili powder, oregano, cinnamon, pepper, salt, black beans, diced green chilies, tomato paste, a small white onion, flour, Mexican cheese blend, apple cider or white vinegar, vegetable stock, and olive oil. Let's begin with our enchilada sauce. In a small sauce pot, set the heat to medium and add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You'll want to mix all your spices and flour together to be able to quickly add them to the pot. Pinch a bit of the seasoning and add it to the pot. If it sizzles on impact, it's ready to go. Quickly add your flour mixture and be sure to start whisking it as quickly as possible. We are creating a light brew and you do not want this to burn. After about 1 minute of whisking and a light browning, it's time to add in our vegetable stock. Add in about 1/4 of your liquid at a time and be sure to keep whisking. If you add too much stock at once, you run the risk of creating a lumpy sauce, which we do not want. After you've added your stock, add in your tomato paste and continue to whisk and cook for roughly an additional 7 minutes. Turn the heat off and add in your vinegar. Continue to whisk for about an additional minute off heat. Your sauce should look a lot like this. Next, for the enchiladas, we'll take our chicken breasts and dice them into 1/2 inch cubes. I like to slice them about 1/2 inch down one way, and then take the smaller pieces and slice them 1/2 inch in the other way. Next, take your onion, slice it in half, and peel. For this method, I like to slice them about 90% of the way towards the root, then give them a little turn, and slice them in the perpendicular direction for easy, consistent diced onions. Scoop those up and put them on the side. Next, in a medium-large pan on medium-high heat, we'll add in some more olive oil and saute our diced onions for roughly 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. After those are done, we'll add in our chicken breasts and diced green chilies. Cook this together for roughly an additional 8 minutes. Once it's complete, remove it from heat and add in your beans. Mix until it's all incorporated. Add about 2 spoonfuls of enchilada sauce to a tortilla. I like to spread it out with the back of the spoon, nice and evenly throughout. Add in your chicken filling in a straight line and top it off with a healthy serving of cheese. Roll your tortilla over the filling like a loose burrito with open sides and place it in your 9x13 inch baking pan. Repeat this process for the remainder of your tortillas or until the pan is filled. This fits roughly 8 filled tortillas. Add in any extra filling to the sides of the pan and cover with the remainder of your cheese. Top that with the leftover enchilada sauce and place it in the oven at 350 degrees for roughly 20 minutes. The result is a cheesy, hearty comfort meal that is sure to please. I hope you enjoyed this video and recipe, and until the next time, have a good day.